Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Natwar Sharma. I was wondering about the way of evolution. Evolution is all about maturing and growing. It involves becoming stronger in the face of challenges and struggles. This idea of evolution was triggered in my mind after seeing a child interact with her mother in my clinic. Thanks to technology and scientific development, we are today moving from a space of deprivation to a lifestyle of plenty. From a society that was predominantly in the survival mode, we are headed towards living in the comfort mode. It is quite natural that parents who are deprived in their childhood work hard and try their best to give the best of comforts to their children. For example, a father who did not have a separate room or a study table as a child may want to provide the best of comforts to his child, satisfying her every single wish and demand. But does such fulfillment come with a price? Is there a thin line of difference between satisfying the needs and fulfilling the child's every single wish or demand? What are the consequences? I notice that children today refuse to walk even a short distance, leave alone traveling long on foot. Oh, it's so hot. Switch on the AC quickly. I can't bear the heat. Oh, I have to climb 4 floors. Why is the lift not working? They may be willing to run a treadmill, indulge in CrossFit or elliptical workouts, but when it comes to simple activities that build overall resilience, they resist. The level of patience, tolerance, and resilience displayed by today's generation of youth and children has definitely come down, giving way to anger, frustration, and arguments. Let us take a moment to ponder. Are we evolving in the real sense? As parents, we may want to guide our children in developing a more balanced approach to life, drawing the line between needs and wants, comfort and luxury. Hardships make us stronger. Going through challenges is indeed the way of evolution.
Here, I would like to quote the example of Japanese children, the way they are trained at home and school to learn to have gratitude, become independent, learn mutual respect and teamwork is astounding. We may not be able to replicate everything because of variable situations in different countries, but most of them are easy to emulate. Thank you.